We are pleased to show you the 2017 Mini Cooper Convertible. The Cooper Convertible is the drop-down version of the standard Mini Cooper. This is the car that just sips gas. Even if that isn't your concern, the Convertible allows you the same go-kart feel as driving the standard hardtop. This vehicle has less than 4,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, dual airbags, leather-wrapped steering wheel, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, AM/FM stereo radio, center armrest, fog lights, electronic stability control. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.